Hi Queens, how are you guys doing today? I hope you are all okay. I hope you're having a great start to the week and you had a great weekend. My name is Sadie King, if you didn't know already, and I'm a fashion blogger from the UK. Just in case you are from America, I know that I've got a lot of followers from America. So today's video is going to be 6 ways to look expensive, okay? This is quite different to what I normally do, but I'm really excited to show you some of the looks that I have created for you guys. Let's go. Okay Queens, so I know that you guys know already what I'm doing today, 6 styles on how to look expensive. I can't wait to show you what I've got. We often think we need expensive stuff to look expensive, but that is not the case, okay? I've got some lovely gifts that I've been gifted by Saint and Sophia, a massive brand in the UK. They're very editorial look, a lot of black clothes, jackets. I've got a scarf and dress from them today, so I can't wait to show you guys. Hopefully I'll be working with these guys a lot more in the future as well. Okay Queens, so this is the first outfit, okay? I'm wearing all black, okay? My shoes are black with a little bit of nude, okay? Now, with black, as we all know, it can make you feel skinny. If you're feeling like you're having a bit of a fat day, put a bit of black on, a bit of tight black, and you'll feel better in minutes, I am telling you. So the dress that I have got on is from Saint and Sophia, as I explained to you guys earlier. They're a big company in the UK. They're a big clothing company. They do a lot of jackets, trousers, scarves, some amazing trainers which aren't out yet. I'm so gutted. I can't wait to try them. So this is the dress, and this is £70. So with this, I wouldn't feel the need to wear anything underneath to sort of suck my stomach in. I feel like, yes, it hugs to me a little bit, but it's making my legs look a lot more curvier here. It's giving me more of a body shape. And as you can see, I paired off the shoes with that, which are black, and then my clutch bag, black and gold. This was from Zara, and this was around £8.99. This was actually in the sale. My shoes were £25.99, and they were from Ego. I've got some bangles on, my bracelets. These are Annie Hark, my sister-in-law's mother's company, which are just amazing. Love Annie Hart. My earrings are from Zara. I love these so much because I feel like they look super expensive. They're very heavy, but I think they're so lush. Okay Queens, so I'm now on the second look, okay? I'm wearing all white. This is quite a summer vibe. I know, but I know a lot of you, if you're like me, you are missing the sun, so I thought I'd bring a bit of whiteness to your life. Okay, so firstly, I have got a white bodysuit on. This has got some nice little buttons, and I'm pairing it off with these white trousers. They're tie-ups, okay? And they're actually quite short length. For me, I wanted to add a little bit extra to it because I think without this sort of like jacket top that I've got on, it wouldn't look too expensive. It would just look like I'm going to the corn shop. So I love this flared top that I've got on, okay? Now this is actually from Boohoo. This was like £8.99. The trousers that I've got on, these are like a little kind of pedal pusher. I love the material as well. They're nice and silk, really nice and spacious. These were from New Look, and these were £15.99. I got them like 3 years ago. The top was from Pretty Little Thing, and this was like, I remember it was definitely under £15. So as you can see, this is not expensive. And the bracelet, a watch would go perfect with it, but I don't actually have a watch here with me right now. To add a bit of colour into the whole white outfit, I've added my yellow bag. This was also from Pretty Little Thing, and this was £8.99 also. I think a bit of colour to white always looks so great. You don't just want to go like completely all with one colour, because otherwise you can look a bit dull even with white. So it's nice to brighten it up a little bit. Bright up your life, spice up your life. So yes, this is the second outfit, Queens. And I think that this top makes it look very expensive. Without the top, it just looks very plain, as you can see. So I had to really improvise with this because I didn't have the right jacket. But I thought, do you know what? I've got a little kind of shawl jacket that would go perfect. And I think with the frilly arms, it looks so nice. It's like very dressy, isn't it? You could really dress this down though, like for the daytime or the evening time. You could pair this off with a pair of heels or some nice sandals. I think it goes perfect for like Spain anyway. I also feel with white, it always looks so clean, so already it looks expensive in itself. Anytime you see somebody wearing all white, they always look super dazzling clean. Honestly, like I feel like they really do look so clean. So for me, I thought this would be a really good look. Again, I know it is summer vibes, but I'm making sure you guys are ready. Okay guys, so another tip that I think goes perfectly well with like an all white outfit is a blazer, okay? Whether the blazer be white, white or any other colours, I think this goes perfect, and it really adds to the look. I think it looks super expensive. So this is a blazer that I've chosen for you, and now this is actually a blazer dress, but I've turned it into a blazer, which I think is really cool. Now this is from Pretty Little Thing. I think it was in a sale for like $14.99, so under £20. So you could actually wear this as an over large blazer. It's got some really nice gold buttons on it, which go perfectly with my gold earrings, my gold bangles. So again, it gives a bit of colour to the white. I think white and gold always go perfect together. It's so clean, and white and gold is like very expensive looking. It definitely is not cheap looking at all. You can wear it on your shoulders like me, which I think goes really well, or you can also wear it on fully, which looks quite corporate, like you're going to some business meeting. For me, I think I prefer to have it on my shoulders for some strange reason. I know that everybody is different, but I feel like it really gives a nice polished look on my shoulders, especially if it's summer. I don't want it on, I'm gonna be getting all sticky. I think that it will just give me a nice touch. With blazers, you can literally pair it off with anything as well. I feel like white jeans would also go really perfect with this outfit, as well as these white linen trousers. This is quite a holiday vibe. Okay, queens, so tip number 3, accessories. Accessories can really make an outfit, okay? If you've got an outfit which you think is quite dull, accessories can really add to that outfit and finish it. So I'm wearing my sunglasses right now. These are actually from Zara. Okay, and I got these last summer, and again, you've seen my bangles, which were from Annie Hark. My earrings were from Zara. Okay, queens, so with this scarf, this has been a really nice gift from Saint and Sophia. I'm so in love with this. I feel like it really pulls off the outfit. I'm wearing it like a kind of shawl, and even though it's an accessory of a scarf, it adds to the outfit, okay? I think it really suits my long dress, especially if it's a cold winter night. You want to keep warm, okay? Fashion at all times, but you do want to keep warm, and you can still look fashionable by adding a scarf. It's just how you wear the scarf. And this scarf was £45, okay? I love it. I think it's so nice. It's like black and white. It's like really nice and woolly, and it says rock and roll, which I absolutely love. Now, if you're going to like a casual event, maybe for work in the day, again, you do not need sunglasses, because if you're inside of a building, you don't want to be like wearing sunglasses, like unless you're trying to avoid people. I don't know, but you can dress it down, okay? So accessories, you can keep it minimal. Again, I've just got the scarf on and I've taken the sunglasses off, so as you can see, it's left quite a minimal look now. Okay guys, another tip with the sunglasses, I feel like you have to make sure it fits your face shape. So if you've got like an oval face shape, I feel like a smaller sunglasses would suit it best. If you have a face like mine that's quite round, then I think bigger sunglasses, like the cat sunglasses, would be a great fit. Okay guys, so tip number 4, the classical, the formal look. I love this pinafore dress. I think it's a really nice cut. As you can see, it's got a V-shaped cut here, and at the back it has another V-shaped cut. I love the material. It's nice and wool. I've paired it off with a black roll neck jumper, as you can see. So without it, it's plain. And then with it again, it's just adding to the touch. There you go. And again, I'm wearing the earrings, which I think goes quite perfect with it, especially if you're going to an event. Again, it can be casual. So whatever you pair it with, just make sure that you add the hat, because the hat really kills this look, okay? This is a Baker hat, and this is from River Island. This was around $8.99. I feel like the hat really adds the final touches to this outfit. Now, I've also paired it off with some black tights, because tights are very old school. I think it just goes perfect. You might want to wear some knee-high boots with that as well. I think that would also be a really great touch. Any type of jewellery, I think leave that, because this is quite a loud look already. So I think jewellery would just be a bit too much, as in like a necklace. I think a watch would be fine, and some earrings would be fine also. The pinafore was from Zara, and the roll neck was from Marks and Spencer's like 2 years ago. The tights I got from Primark, and the hat again is from River Island. I really do love this outfit, because I feel like it's really like 1940s or 1960s. But yeah, I love like old school fashion, and I love that they're always bringing it back. I also love to wear this jacket with this outfit, because I really do feel like it's like a nice little, it gives it like a nice little edge to it as well. And also this jacket is super warm. So this is what I do tend to wear with the outfit. Okay, so I think this biker jacket from Zara gives it a nice touch as well. I think it's like a quite edgy look, isn't it? With the hat, I wish my hair was straight, because I know with the hat you'd see exactly what I'm saying, but obviously I know that a lot of you girls have the hats to go with it, so you kind of have a little image in your head. But yeah, I think the biker jacket goes really well with it as well. Okay guys, so I'm loving this all black look, okay? Look at this mama. As you all know, all black makes you look skinny, you feel more confident, you can pair it off with a lot of things. Today I've added another accessory, which is my belt. This is actually a Gucci replica belt, and I feel like it does look very expensive. Even though I know the difference, I don't think there's too much of a big difference to where you think, okay, it is fake. That belt is actually from Primark. I got that like 3 years ago. Now I've paired that off with my black trench coat from Pretty Little Thing. This was under £30. No, sorry, this was under £40. I can't remember the exact price, but it was under £40. I've got my roll neck on again, the one that was from Marks and Spencer's in the previous look that I've just did for you guys. And I've paired it off with these black trousers, leather trousers, and these are from Zara. These were $18.99 and I got them around a year ago now. I think it was just after Romeo was born. So yes, this is what I've paired the look with. And also I think a hat would go really nice with this. It's like a matrix look, but I think a hat would really like make it look good as well. Also, I think that a bag would go perfect. I love this bag I recently got from, I think it was from Topshop, yes it was. And it was on sale for like $6.99. So this is the bag. As you can see, I think this is really nice. So I think this goes like really cute with it as well. Obviously you can wear it like that, but I would just wear it like that. Or I can take off this and just have it on its own. I definitely feel like without the belt, it would have been quite plain. Once I added the belt, I think it goes really well. I've also paired it off with the gold earrings again. As you can see, this gives it quite a nice night look outfit as well. I think definitely for going out for like dinner, to a party, it looks very classy and it looks very expensive. I'd pair this off with some nice black shoes, some heels. I wouldn't wear any type of boots, or maybe I'd wear boots depending on the cut, but I definitely think heels would give it a nice ending. It would like kill the whole look. So with the roll neck, I've actually tucked it into my trousers. Again, if I had have left the roll neck out, it definitely would not have given me the touch that I needed to my outfit. It would have made me look like I was bigger than what I am. So I have tucked it in, as you can see, and it's actually made me look probably a tiny bit smaller than what I actually am at the moment. I've also tightened the belt so it gives me more of a fitting around my stomach area and also around my hips. These jeans are actually extra large. I got them just after I'd had my son, so once I added the belt, they fit perfectly. So I'm definitely going to wear them now. I'm so happy. If you feel like your outfit does look dull, add accessories to it, add a belt. The belt can really give it that nice finishing touch. So tip number 5, I'm wearing all white again with the blazer and the trousers, but I've paired it off with the roll neck, okay? So I would definitely say wear a different bra because I feel like this bra makes it look a bit kind of flimsy. I'd say definitely wear more of a tighter bra, which is a bit of a tighter fit, because with this top it's quite flimsy. As you can see, it's quite baggy. Now I feel like this look really gives it a formal expensive classic look, okay? I feel like it's definitely for the daytime, if you're going to a meeting, if you're going to some type of event for like jewelry or something like that. I feel like a bit of a queen in this actually. I love the roll neck. I feel like with a roll neck it looks very professional, especially with a blazer. I've still got my gold earrings on as well. Some really nice nude heels would go perfect with this, or some gold heels I think would definitely give it the adding touches. Now with this roll neck top, I've actually tucked it in because obviously if I've got it hanging out, it's just going to look completely flat. So definitely if you feel like your outfit's not going well, tuck your top in, tuck your jumper in, and experiment a little bit and see how you get on with it, because I feel like if you do tuck in your jumper, it definitely changes the whole outfit. Now with this, I think a black bag would go great. I think that this black clutch bag would go perfect. I've actually taken the string off. It's normally a crossbody bag, but I feel like that goes really nice with it as well. It's very formal, it's professional looking. A nice gold watch would also go perfect. Also, can I add, a red lip is just a finishing touch to most outfits, to white and especially to black. I love wearing red lipstick. I feel like if my makeup is very simple, it definitely gives it more of a classical look. So this is a very simple look. I've got my roll neck on, I've got the blazer and I've got the trousers. The roll neck is from Zara. Obviously, you guys know that I love Zara and most of my clothes are from there. I feel like with a lot of Zara clothes, they're very professional looking and very clean looking as well. Okay, so we are on tip number 6, and this is now the last outfit that I have for you. So I'm wearing all white, as you guys can see still, but I'm actually adding a touch of colour to it. So I'm adding my teddy bear long jacket with it also. I've also put on my white jeans instead of the black linen trousers, so it gives me more of a body shape, because if I had the top out again like earlier, it would just look very frumpy. So tucking it in can give you more of a shape and make you look a lot thinner as well. A really good tip for you guys. So I think the outfit looks really good, and I think the coat on top of it gives it that final touch. I've also added stud earrings just because it's quite a loud outfit in itself, so I feel like with some big earrings it might not look as kind of classical and classy. It might look a bit too much. So that I think the studs gives it a nice simple look. I feel like this with a bag wise, I feel like a crossbody bag. So I feel like this bag would be perfect just to go over. Obviously I would have it over like this. So my Zara jacket that I'm wearing was $89.99, and the jeans I got from ASOS, the white jeans, they were a size 10 and they were $15.99. I got the jeans last summer and the jacket I actually got for my birthday last year, November. Okay queens, so I'm just going to give you a bonus tip here with the earrings. Again, they are like a really nice classical simple look. Also, studs and nude nails are perfect, okay? Especially when you're wearing like a neutral outfit. I think they go really, really well together. Nude nails are perfect, especially for like winter time or summertime. They're not too much, they're not too loud. It's like a nice, simple look. So even with this outfit, I could wear nude nails, or with another outfit with all black, I think it would go really well as well. For me, I like to experiment. So I often have like red nails, or I've had black nails. So for me, I'm always experimenting with nails. Sometimes I have black, sometimes I have red, or different colours, but I think with neutral like nude colours, it really gives your look like a nice simple classy look, and also very expensive. Okay queen, so I hope you've enjoyed all my looks today. I've really enjoyed sharing them all with you. I loved the white outfit, I loved the black outfit, and I really think it was something different for my channel for you guys. I love showing you my new dress and my scarf from Saint and Sophia, so again, thank you so much to you guys. I will be sharing more pictures of that also as well. Make sure you comment down below and let me know what your favourite look was, or any tips you would add to the outfits yourself, any more accessories. I really hope these tips have helped you, and if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. This is your girl Sadie King, and as always queens, I appreciate all your love and support, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great evening. Bye bye.